Hello friends, welcome to Jaya Sharma YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to explain you about coefficient of variation. So I'm going to explain you about coefficient of variation. This is the question for the coefficient of variation. So two automatic filling machines A and B used to fill tea in 500 grams. A random sample of 100 contains on each machine showed in the following. So the question will be asked for the coefficient of variation will be machine A and machine B. The question format will be like this. They'll be asking like machine A, machine B, T contains, or it may be asked in some other way, but it contains like machine A, machine B. The format will be like that. So what is the formula for coefficient of variation? Means SD by mean into 100. So you have to find out SD and then mean into 100. You have to substitute the values of SD and mean in this formula. Then you'll get the CV answer. So first we are finding for the machine A. Machine A. So T contains and then frequency of machine A, all values. So we have to find the XI because for SD and mean values contain the formula like this. For the mean, the formula is A plus F summation of Fi di by summation of Fi into H. So for this, di is there in this formula. So we have to add the column di. Di means xi minus a by h. Here xi means this one 48.7.5. How to select the a value means in these x value. What is the middle term? There is no middle value, no. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal are there. See these three equal there. So we have to select either 497.5 or 502.5. It is our choice. Now I am taking A as 497.5. So substituting A there, xi minus 497.5 by h means what is the difference between them? 485 and 490 is 5. So 5 means then I'll get minus 2 minus 1 0. In this way you have to find the di values. Then after Fi into di, because here the mean formula is A plus summation of Fi di. So we have to add the column Fi di. So Fi means 12 into minus 2. So Fi di. We calculate Fi di. Then di square. This di square and di square Fi is for standard deviation formula. To substitute values in the standard deviation formula, we require di and di square Fi. So di square is, so this is di, so minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1. So in this way di square, so di square means next column is di square into Fi. Di square is 4 into Fi means 4 12s are 48. And then 1 18s are 18. So in this way we added the columns. So we draw the table in this way. Now what is the formula for CV? Coefficient of variation equals to SD by mean into 100. We draw on the table. Now to write the formula, first we are writing the formula for mean. Mean equals to A plus summation of Fi di by summation of Fi into h. This is the formula for mean. So here A is equals to 497.5 comma summation of Fi di means 40 and then summation of Fi is 100. H is the difference between these class intervals is 5. By substituting those values, see A place in the place of A, we written 497.5 plus Fi di means 40 divided by F summation of Fi is 100 into 5. We get 499.5 answer for mean. So we have to calculate for the SD. Standard deviation means root over sigma square. Means under the root there will be a sigma square, that is the variance. So this is the formula for that. Sigma square, the formula is summation of di square Fi by n minus d bar square into h square. So for the d bar, what is the formula? Summation of Fi di by summation of Fi. This is like x bar, mean. I explained in the first video that x bar equals to summation of xi fi by summation of fi. So in the same way, summation of fi di by summation of fi. The summation of fi di is 40. So we write here as 40, and summation of fi is 100. So 100 equals to 0.4. So the d bar value is 0.4. Now substituting the values. Summation of di square fi. Summation of di square fi is 220. So here we written 220 by, next summation of fi is 100. Here we written 100 minus d bar square is 0.4 whole square into h square, means the difference between the class intervals is 5 square. So by substituting we have to calculate this and we get the answer 51. This is the variance. As I said, if you haven't watched the previous video that is about variance and standard deviation, how to calculate about them, I explained in the previous video. Please watch it. That sigma square and variance are the same. We denote variance as a sigma square. So I said standard deviation means root over sigma square, means under the root there will be a sigma. So 51 we got the answer. We have to place this 51 under the root. SD equals to root over sigma square. So we placed root over 51, sigma square answer is 51, so we got 7.141. Okay, we found SD value and mean value. We get SD and mean value answers. Now substitute in the CV, that is coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is SD by mean into 100. So SD we got 7.141, by mean we got 499.5 into 100. We got this answer. This whole sum we did only for machine A. So now we are going to do with machine B. The same process, but here machine B, these values are different. So in the frequency place we'll change the values and the same columns will be repeat. See, for the machine B, xi, we'll find the xi values for the calculating di. So xi is the lower limit plus upper limit by 2, 487.5. We'll get values by calculating L plus U by 2. Xi values you will find out, and then di values, the formula is xi minus a by h. As I said before, here the middle term, there is no middle term in xi, so we can choose this value, either this value or this value. So I am selected 497.5 as a value. A value means in xi values we have to choose the middle term. As here there is no middle term, so we can choose either this one or this one, because these two are the middle of all the values. Two values are middle values, so we can choose either this one or this one. I am selected 497.5 as a value. So di, what is the formula? Xi minus a by h, that is 487.5 minus 497.5 by 5. H is the difference between the class interval. So we get di value. So you have to continue with this process to calculate di, and then fi di. Fi means 10 into minus 2, that is minus 20, 15 into minus 1, minus 15, 24 into 0, 0. And then with this column we completed for the mean, and then we have SD to find out. For finding SD we require di square. Di square means minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and then di square into fi. 10 into 4 is 40, 15 into 1 is 15, 24 into 0 is 0. So di square fi. Now mean formula. We draw the table, we draw the columns. So table part is completed. Now it's time to substitute values in the formula. That is mean equals to a plus summation of fi di by summation of fi into h. A value I am taken here 497.5 plus summation of FIDI is 60, summation of FI is 100 into H is the difference between the class intervals, that is 5, and we got answer 500.5. Now it's time for calculating standard deviation, that is variance. First we have to find out the variance and then we have to apply root to the variance answer. The formula is summation of di square fi by n minus d bar whole square into h square. So how to find out dr? Summation d bar, summation of fi di by summation of fi. Summation of fi di is 60 by summation of fi is 100. So 60 by 100 equals to 0.6. So we got d bar value, that is 0.6. Now variance. It's time to find out this answer. This answer by applying this formula. That is summation of di square fi is 264 by summation of fi is 100 minus d bar is 0.6 whole square into h square means 5 square. After applying all these values and doing the calculation, you will get the answer 57, and applying root to that answer to find the standard deviation. If you want to find out the standard deviation, first you have to calculate the variance and you will get the answer for the variance. For that variance you have to apply the root. You have to apply the root for the variance answer. So you are applying root over 57. So we get 5.749. 7.549. So we got ST value, we got mean value. Now it's time to calculate coefficient of variation, that is CV equals to SD by mean into 100. Substitute the values. SD is 7.549 by mean is 500.5 into 100, that is 1.508. So in this coefficient of variation, they'll give machine A and machine B, no? Why? Because they want that which have high consistency. They want to know which machine have high consistency. For knowing that, we'll do all these formulas. So if after calculating CV for machine A and machine B, we have to compare the answers. If see here the CV we got 1.4 and here we got the CV 1.5. Which is the least one? Machine A is the least one. Machine A is the least one and machine B is the highest one. So machine A contains less CV, so it has highest consistency. So we do coefficient of variation to find out the highest consistency. To find out the highest consistency, we use coefficient of variation. We find CV. If CV has less, then it has the high consistency. If machine B we got 1.4 means there we got 1.5 means machine B has less CV, so it has high consistency. If we have less CV, then it has high consistency. So here in machine A we got 1.4, so it contains less CV, so it has high consistency. To knowing the consistency, we calculate CV. If we get less CV, then it has high consistency. If has high CV, then it has less consistency. For that purpose, we use this coefficient of variation. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section from which place you are not able to understand. Please mention. I'll definitely explain you. Thank you.